Classroom expectations are often discussed as if they are a single classroom strategy, but in practice, expectations usually work best when they are part of a larger classroom system. Hi, I'm Marian from Engaging Curiosity. Welcome to my channel. I work with overwhelmed teachers to help build calm, predictable classrooms. In this video, I want to connect the idea of student-created expectations to the broader system that helps classrooms feel calm and predictable. So when students help shape classroom expectations, they begin to understand how their behavior affects the classroom community as a whole. But expectations actually become much stronger when they connect with other classroom structures, not just expectations in a silo. For example, routines help students to understand what to do throughout the day. Classroom organization helps students move through tasks more independently. And positive reinforcement helps students notice when expectations are working well. They hear their name and a compliment. It works. Together, these elements support one another, and expectations describe how people treat each other. Routines describe how classrooms operate. Community helps students understand why these structures matter because they begin to build their own safe space. When these pieces work together, classroom management begins to feel less like constant correction and more like a shared understanding of how the classroom functions more intuitively, not even thinking about it too much. That idea sits at the heart of the Calm Classroom framework that I've developed. The framework looks at classroom management as a set of connected systems rather than isolated strategies. And when those systems are working together, supporting one another, classrooms become calmer and more predictable for both students and, importantly, for teachers too. You count too. So if you're interested in exploring how these classroom systems fit together, I've created a short resource, a free resource called the Calm Classroom Foundations Guide. It's a simple starting point for teachers who want to begin building calmer classroom systems, and I'll include the link in the description and in the first comment. Thanks for joining me.